What are you going to do this summer? When we talk about plans for the future, we use the word going to. Grammar. To be verb plus going to plus action verb. For example, I am going to, you are going to, he is going to, she is going to, it is going to, we are going to, you are going to, they are going to. Kate is a teacher. She asked her students, "What are you going to do this summer?" Layla said, "I am going to go to the beach." Angie said, "I am going to visit my grandmother." Tom said, "I am going to paint a picture." Jill and Bob said, "We are going to ride bicycles." Rick said, "My family is going to travel abroad." Eva said, "I am going to watch movies." Finally, the teacher Kate said, "I am going to sleep all summer."